Hey everyone, I'm Eagle Earn from Web3 Wealth Official. Welcome to today's video where we'll be diving deep into Web3 wallets. Whether you're new to the Web3 space or have tried it a bit before, this video guide is designed to give you a solid understanding of what Web3 wallets are, how they work, their categories, and the important security tips you need to know. But before we dive into all that, it would mean the world to us if you could subscribe to our YouTube channel for easy-to-understand crypto term explanations, captivating crypto news stories, and inspiring crypto documentaries. Alright, let's jump right in. First of all, let's talk about what a Web3 wallet actually is. Think of it like your digital wallet, but instead of storing cash or credit cards, it stores access to your cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and other digital assets. But here's the important part. Your funds aren't physically stored in the wallet itself. Instead, they're on the blockchain, which is a distributed database stored across many computers that work together to record all transactions. The Web3 wallet is more of a tool to interact with the blockchain, allowing you to view your crypto balances, send or receive cryptocurrencies, and even engage with decentralized applications or smart contracts. Now, the most important part of your Web3 wallet is its keys. Public and private keys, your bank info of the Web3 world. Let me break it down with a simple analogy. Imagine the blockchain is like a bank. Your public key, or also known as your Web3 wallet address, is like your bank account number. It's safe to share with others because they can use it to send you crypto or NFTs, but they can't access your funds. Your private key, on the other hand, is like the login credentials to your internet banking account. It gives you full control over your wallet and funds. That's why you need to always keep your private key secure. You should never share it with anyone. If someone else gets a hold of it, they can access everything in your wallet. Losing your private key or your seed phrase, which is a backup version of your key, can mean permanently losing access to your funds. Now, let's explore the different types of wallets available in Web3. There are two main categories: hot wallets and cold wallets. First up, hot wallets. These are wallets connected to the internet, making them very convenient for quick daily transactions. You can access them via your browser or mobile app. Some examples include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Phantom Wallet, or wallets provided by crypto exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and Bybit. However, because they're always online, hot wallets are more vulnerable to hacks and phishing scams. If your private key is exposed or stolen by someone else, someone could easily drain your funds. And when you store your crypto on exchanges, you also face the risk of the exchange being hacked or even going out of business. Remember the old saying, not your keys, not your coins. This means if you don't control the private keys, you don't fully control your crypto assets. On the other hand, cold wallets are like the vaults of the crypto world. They're not connected to the internet, which means they're less vulnerable to hacking. These are great for long-term storage, especially if you're a serious investor or you're holding a large amount of crypto. There are two main types of cold wallets: hardware wallets and paper wallets. Hardware wallets are physical devices, like a USB stick, that store your private keys offline. Some great examples are Tangum, Ledger, and Trezor. Hardware wallets offer some of the highest security, but they can be expensive. What's the catch? If you lose your recovery seed phrase, you won't be able to recover your crypto. Paper wallets are even more basic. They're simply a printout of your public and private keys, which means they're completely offline and immune to online attacks. But there's a big downside. If you lose or damage that piece of paper, it's gone. Plus, it's not very practical for frequent transactions. Selecting the right Web3 wallet comes down to your needs. If you're regularly trading or using crypto, a hot wallet might be a better choice because of its convenience. If you're in it for the long haul, cold wallets are safer for storing your digital assets. And don't forget, different Web3 wallets may work better for different blockchains. For example, you might need a specific wallet for Bitcoin, another for Ethereum, and yet another Web3 wallet for Solana. Okay, now let's talk about security, because in the world of crypto, it's one of the most important things. If you're using a hot wallet, make sure to do the following. Firstly, always double-check the URL to ensure you're using the official website or app. Secondly, use multi-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection. Thirdly, watch out for phishing scams. These are common tricks where scammers try to steal your private keys by pretending to be a legitimate service. If you're using a cold wallet, only buy from official manufacturers like Tangum, Ledger, or Trezor, and avoid purchasing second-hand hardware wallets, as they could be broken. Also, keep your recovery phrase safe. Write it down and store it offline in multiple secure locations. You should not store it online. Another common scam to watch out for is the free token scam. If someone sends you random tokens for free, it might seem like a good thing. But interacting with those tokens could allow hackers to steal your funds. So use features like whitelisting or hiding suspicious tokens from your Web3 wallet. Alright, let's take a quick look at where Web3 wallets are heading. As crypto adoption grows, we're seeing Web3 wallets become more advanced, with features like biometric authentication, cross-chain functionality, AI-based security features, and traditional banking integration. Let me briefly explain what each feature is about. First, biometric authentication basically means using your fingerprint or facial recognition to add an extra layer of security. Second, cross-chain functionality allows you to manage multiple cryptocurrencies across different blockchains with one wallet. Third, artificial intelligence-based security features will help detect suspicious activities and automate transactions. Fourth, traditional banking integration enables you to manage both fiat and crypto assets seamlessly in a single wallet. So there you have it, a complete overview of Web3 wallets and everything you need to know. Whether you go with a hot wallet for daily use or a cold wallet for long-term storage, the key is to stay informed and secure your assets properly. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button and smash subscribe for more Web3, crypto, and blockchain stories. It would mean the world to us if you could kindly share this video to your friends, your family, and the people you care about. Let me know in the comments what kind of Web3 wallet you're using or planning to use. We hope you had fun learning with us, and guess what? We can't wait to see you in our next video.